Now, the first question says, solve the equation 1 divided by 2 minus 6 divided by x equals 2. We are going to find the LCM of this. So what's the LCM of this? What's the LCM of 2 and x? 2x. 2x. So 2 into x, x times 1, x, minus x into x, 2. 2 times 6, 12, equals 2 over 1. Right? So you can cross multiply. I have 2x multiplied by 2 equals x minus what? 12. This gives 4x equals x minus 12. That is 4x minus x equals minus 12. This is 3x equals what? Minus 12. Divide both sides by 3. So x cancel x. X equals what? Minus 4. Number 2. Simplify x minus 3 divided by 4 minus x plus 1 divided by what? 3. So in the case of this, we find the LCM of 4 and 3. So LCM of 4 and 3 is what? 12. So 4 in 12, 3. That is 3 multiplied by x minus 3 minus 4 multiplied by what? X plus 1. Then we open the brackets. So that gives 3x minus 9 minus 4x minus 4 divided by what? 12. So that means 3x minus 4x minus 9 minus 4 divided by what? 12. So that is minus x minus 30 divided by what? 12. Factorize wx y plus wxz. So what is common? Wx is common. So we have y left plus what? Z. Answer. Question 4. Factorize x squared minus 2x minus 3. So in the case of this, you can see that we have 3 terms here. We cannot group. We want to make this to become what? 4 terms. So how are we going to do that? So easy. Multiply this by this, that gives minus 3x what? Squared. What are the two numbers you multiply together to give you 3 minus 3x squared? 3 times 1 gives 3, right? But consider what you have at the middle here, minus 2, right? So that means we're going to make use of minus 3x times x. So when this gives us minus 3x squared. When you have minus 3x plus x, that gives us minus 2x. So we make use of this to replace this. That means we have x squared minus 3x plus x minus what? 3. So we then factorize it. X is common, x minus 3 plus what is common? 1, x minus what? 3. So we have x plus 1, then x minus what? 3. Answer. Simplify 2 divided by x minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2x. So in this case, we want to simplify this. You can make this one with 1, then find the LCM of the denominators. What's the LCM of the denominators? What's the LCM of the denominators? 2x. So x into x, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 1 into x, 2x times 1, minus 2x. Plus 2x into x, 1 times 1, 1. Good. So we have 1 plus 1 minus 2x divided by what? 2x. That gives us 5 minus 2x divided by what? 2x. The operator says, can't we use this 2x to cancel this 2x? It will be wrong. Because what you have between this 5 and 2x is minus. Even if it is plus, you cannot do that. But in the same whereby you have 5 times 2x divided by 2x. This is multiplication. So you can cut this. Your answer will be 5. But in the case of this one, you don't do that. You leave it like this. That's your answer. Is that clear? Good. So let's move on. So move to question number 6. Question 6. Find the sum of 3x 1 minus 6x 4x and x. So we want to add these together. That gives 3x plus 1 minus 6x plus 4x plus x. 3x plus 6, 3x minus 6x minus 3x. Minus 3x plus 4x, x. X plus x, 2x plus 1. A number which is 1 more than n is a number which is 1 more than n. That is n plus 1. So that's the answer, n plus 1. Number 8. Simplify x into bracket 1 minus 2y squared minus 3y squared into x plus 3. So what you're going to do, we open the brackets. So x times 1, that is x minus 2xy squared minus, we use this to open this again. That is minus 3xy squared minus 9y squared. So after this, we look at what is common. So this and this, they are common because xy squared, xy squared. So minus 2xy squared minus 3xy squared will be what? Minus 5xy squared minus 9y squared. That's the answer. Number 9. The area of a triangle is 54 centimeters squared. We're given the area of triangle to be 54 centimeters squared. If the height h is of the triangle is 6 centimeters, find its base. We are looking for what? B. So in that case, what is the area of triangle? Half base times what? I. So we just replace the values of a to be 54, half times the base is what we're looking for. The height is what? 6. So 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 3. So we have 54 equals 3 what? B. It is B we are looking for. Divide both sides by what? 3. By 3. 3 cancel what? 3. 3 here 1, 3 here 1. Remainder 2, 24. 8. Therefore, B equals to what? 18 centimeters. Right angle triangle. This is 8 centimeters. This is 30 degrees. This is 14 centimeters. So find the area of the triangle. If you look at this 30 degree you have here, they are using to distract you. The height of this triangle is 8, while its base is what? 14. Just use a formula straight. Area is half base times what? I. That is half times 14 times what? 8. 2 here 1, 2 here what? 4. So 4, this is 16. That is 56 centimeters squared. 7. Convert 10 base 2 to base 10. To base 10. So the shortcut is 0, 1, 2, 3, right? Now this is it, because what you are doing objective question. We don't need this, we don't need this. Because 0 times anything will give us 0. So that is 1 times 2 raised by 3 plus 1 times 2 raised by what? 1. So this gives 8 plus what? 2. The answer is equal to what? 10. Option what? Option D. Is that the area of the parallelogram below? We have the parallelogram. What's area of parallelogram? What's area of parallelogram? Area of parallelogram is base times height. Base times what? Height. Parallelogram is base. What's the base here? 9 centimeters. What's the height? 6. That is 9 multiplied by what? 6. That is what? 54 centimeters squared. Number 13. This is similar shapes. This question is on similar shapes. Before you can do it, you have to write out the ratio of corresponding sides. The ratio of what? Corresponding side. But before that, let's fill the angles. We have 90 degrees here, 40 degrees here. What will this be? What will this angle be? 50 degrees. That gives 180. This one will also be what? 40 degrees. You can see we have the same thing. They are similar. So in that case, if I should pick AB, which line corresponds to AB here? So you can just look at this. I'm going to use the angle to do that. 90, 50. Where do you have 90, 50? 90, 50. That will be what? YZ. YZ. If I should pick AC, the line that corresponds to AC, which is 1940. 1940 is what? XZ. Am I with you? Then if I should pick BC, right? The line that corresponds to BC, BC is 5040. 5040 is what? XY. Is that clear? So let's now put the values of the lines. AB is 8. YZ, we don't know YZ. Equals AC is 6. And XZ, we don't know it. Equals BC is 10. XY is what? 25. Don't forget, we have to find what? YZ. Which one has YZ? This fraction. So we need this fraction and a fraction that is complete. Which of the remaining two fractions that is complete? The third one, 10 over 2. So we combine them. That will be 8 divided by YZ equals 10 divided by what? 25. So we can use this. So 10 YZ equals 8 multiplied by what? 25. Divide both sides by 10. Cancel, cancel. So YZ equals what? This gives what? 200 divided by what? 10. So YZ equals what? 20 centimeters. Is that clear? So that is, please take notes. What is the value? What is the missing number if the following addition is in base 2? We have this 111 divided 10101. We have it. We want to look for this. Since what we have there is addition, we subtract this from this because this is bigger than both of them. Are you with me? Just like in case of this, 5 plus 2, that gives what? 7. So this is now omitted. Let's say this is x. We want to find x. That will be x equal to what? 7 minus 2. X equal to what? 5. You can see. We got that 5 back. So in that case, we are going to add these two together to get our answer. So we had 10101 plus 111. We subtract, sorry. 1 minus 1, 0. We cannot, we are going to take 1 from this place. When it gets to this place, it turns to what? 2, because we are working in what? Base 2. If it is base 3, it is turned to what? 3. So in that case, 2 minus 1, 1. This remains 0. We can subtract this. You also borrow from this one. This will become 2, carry, it remain 1. It becomes 2, carry, it remain 1, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1, 1. This is 0. The answer is this. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Is that clear? The area of rhombus. Area of rhombus is given to be 24 centimeters square. If one of its diagonal is 6, diagonal 1 is 6 centimeters. Find the length of the other diagonal. Diagonal 2 is what we are looking for. So area of rhombus is D1 multiplied by D2. The first diagonal multiplied by the second diagonal divided by what? 2. So that will be 6 times D2 divided by 2. The area is what? 24. 2 here 1, 2 here what? 3. So divide both sides by 3. So that is 24 divided by 3 equals to what? D2. Right? So that gives what? 8 centimeters. So the second diagonal is what? 8 centimeters. Cost 8,000 naira. At what price will Kule sell it to make a profit of 20%? So profit will be 20% of the cost price, which is what? 8,000 naira. 0 cancel what? 0. So this is 1,600, right? Yes. So this is the profit. So the selling price will then be cost price plus profit. So that gives 8,000 naira plus 1,600 naira. That gives what? 9,600. Is it 5, 6, 1, 3 base 10 in base 8? In base 8. So since we are converting from base 10 to other base, which is base 8, we use 8 to divide through. As you are dividing, you're writing down your remainder. So that means we're going to have this. So 5, 6, 1, 3, then 8. We have put our remainder here. So let's start. You have to be very careful when you're dividing. 8 in 56. 8 in 56. 7. 8 in 1. 0. 8 in 13. 1. Remainder what? 5. 8 in 70. 8. That is 64. Remainder what? 6. Right? So 8 in 61. 7. That is 56. Remainder what? 5. 8 here is 10. Remainder what? 7. 8 in 10. 1. Remainder what? 2. 8 in 1. 0. Remainder 1. So the answer will start from bottom. That gives 1, 2, 7, 5, 5. Base what? Base 8. Yeah. Town B is 40 kilometers due north of town A. Due north of town A. This is town A here. This is north of town A. Town B is directly at the north of A. How many kilometers? 40 kilometers. This is town B. So the question now is, what is the bearing of A from B? So we start from the north pole of B and move towards this. That is what? 180 degrees. That one is straightforward. Number 19. In a right angle triangle, the side opposite the right angle is known as what? Hypotenuse. That is what? Hypotenuse. Okay, the last question here. Express 1101 base 2 in denary. Denary is base what? 10. So we convert it to base 10, 0, 1, 2, 3. So that means 1 times 2 raised by 3 plus 1 times 2 raised by 2. We don't need this. Plus 1 times 2 raised by 0. This is 8 plus 4 plus what? 1. That is what? 13 base what? 10.